Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. All petroleum products, including 87 and 90 gasoline, automotive and ultra-low sulfur diesel, kerosene, propane and butane, will increase by 25 cents each. And oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in December gained 9 cents to settle at $41.45 per barrel. Honeybun has announced plans to venture into business outside of its core bakery operations. CEO Michelle Chung disclosed that the company intends to launch the new business in a little over a year. Now, Mrs. Chung was speaking on Mayberry's monthly investor forum. Honeybun is reporting higher sales this year despite the impact of COVID-19 on its business. The company has managed to increase sales for both the domestic and export market. With the bakery business thriving, CEO Michelle Chung says the company has plans to venture into other kinds of business.
We're looking at further relationships with other types of businesses and going into new businesses of our own, which is what I shared with you. Yes. We want to be able to do some other types of business within the next 12 months anyway, or 18 months.
Mrs. Chung was tight-lipped about what the new business will involve, but she noted that work is already underway to secure additional space for the new business.
And we've also invested in another property near to the one that we have. So that we're hoping to use for a different kind of business. So we're still discussing the use of that building, but it's near enough to Honeybun so that if we needed to expand Honeybun even more, it would be available. But we also have plans for that building, and we'll share that with you at another time.
In the meantime, the company is projecting further growth for 2020 with the addition of new markets created because of the COVID-19 pandemic.
We've seen export continue to grow. So this year, 2020, in spite of COVID, we will once again achieve over 40% increase in exports. So that has been a great thing for us. Having no schools and seeing our sales still increasing year over year, we're so happy to be able to see that. So we have to find new markets to replace that one, as well as when they come back with the increase in sales, we will do extremely well because we would have created new markets in spite of them.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $149.53. The Canadian sold for $114.60. The pound closed at $195.46, while the euro is going for $178.55. The JSE index lost 21 points today, and the junior market index is down 23 points. Among the winners were Jetcon Corporation, Caribbean Cream, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Mailpack and Kingston Properties. Now on the losing side were CAC 2000, G West Corporation, Cargo Handlers, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares and Access Financial Services. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.